Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of 90-second tips and tricks. I want to show you today exactly what our recipients mean in our Gmail, or like we're going to decode that top part really quickly and fast, all within 90 seconds. So we have our to field, type in an email address. We all have that down. We can send an email. The CC, that means carbon copy. You want somebody to get a copy of this. Think of those old pull away, receipts where the yellow goes to the company, the white stays with you, and the pink goes off to some other file wherever. That's exactly what that is. The blind carbon copy is perfect for emailing large groups when you don't want people to know who's on there. So if I have to email, say, everybody with announcements each morning, I always do that because it doesn't give me the reply all option and it doesn't let you know who's been invited to view the email. That's great for emailing parents. That's great for emailing a bunch of students a question or something. It's a perfect thing to kind of protect and stop the reply all madness. So if you guys have more questions about this, feel free to reach out. But that's really quick decoding what that means and figuring out exactly how we can use it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.